Hey everyone, and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Eelectrik from Pokemon. Let's get started all the way over to the left side of our page with the mouth. So we start at the very top and draw an oval, curving around towards the bottom, and we'll just pull that all the way back up towards the top. Now let's draw some detail inside the mouth. At the very top, we're going to draw a V, starting from the left, angle down and in, and back up on the right side. Now we're going to flip that over along the bottom. Starting on the left side, angle up and in, and then we'll come down on the right. Now we're going to draw two more pointing inwards. Starting on the left side, we're going to angle down and in, and angle back out. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to fill that inside X in black. Now let's draw the inside edge of the mouth. From the top of the oval, we're going to step up. We're going to curve over towards the right, round this out, and pull that in towards the bottom. Now let's go around the other side. Starting at the very top, we're going to curve out around the mouth, and then pull that in. Now directly over towards the right, we're going to add another oval for the eye. Starting from the very top, let's draw that oval. And then in the center, we're going to add a small black dot. Now let's draw the trim around the eyes. Starting on the left, just beside the mouth, come in with a straight line, step down, draw that same length line. Now from the top, we're going to curve up over the eye, and then bring it back down on the right. We're going to leave a gap on the side here. Go to the bottom, curve in the opposite direction, and then back up. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a half circle, going out and then in. Directly above the eye, we're going to add the fin. So from left to right, we're going to draw a curve, going up and then down. Now I want to connect these 2 points with a large, almost like a half oval. Starting on the left, we're going to curve out, up to the top, and then back down on the right side. Now we're going to add two angled lines coming down from top to bottom. We'll start on the left, we'll angle down and in, line this up on the right, angle down and in. Now we're going to draw the outside edge of the body tucked in behind this fin. So let's start at the top of the mouth, we're going to curve up, in behind the fin. Now we're going to continue over on the right side, we're going to go out, round out the side of the body. Now we're going to pull that down, round it out, and then go back out and up. Now let's draw the lower part of the body. We want to continue the curve of the mouth, coming down, up around the eye. Now we're going to taper the body so it gets narrower as we come in. Round this out, come down, out towards the left, down towards the bottom. I'm just going to pull that up on the end. Now we're going to take this fin, flip it over underneath the head. So we start on the left side, curve around towards the bottom, and then back up on the right. We're going to add those two angled lines. Starting from the left, angle up and in, go to the right, and go in the opposite direction. Now we're going to draw the inside edge of the body. Starting right at the fin, we're going to curve in, round this out, come out, and we're just going to taper this down towards the lower part of the body, just pulling that in. Now at the end of the tail, we're going to draw an oval. Starting from the top, we curve around, and then back in towards the bottom of the tail. Let's add the large fin. From this point, I'm going to step in, curve out, and then up. Let's go to the bottom of the tail. We're going to curve down, and then out. And then we're going to connect these 2 points with a half circle, curving up, rounding out the tail, and then down towards the bottom. We're going to add 3 curves along the tail. Starting from the tip, we're going to go up in an angle, and then bend that over. Let's go to the top, we're going to draw a curve, coming in, and back out. Let's go to the bottom, curve out, and then down. And then to finish this off, we're going to add 3 ovals on the side of the body. Let's start up here. We're going to start with a small oval. gonna leave a gap and draw another one here, but we're gonna angle this one out. So let's start at the top. Draw in the second oval. And we'll draw one more down at the bottom, slightly smaller. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Eelectrik from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.